Left to right. Clear on both sides. 21, 25. That lap was kind of slow. Pick it up. We're halfway home. Time to start making some moves now. Let's go. The 131 car's gotta run low. Number 188 inside side 1. 58. Push the pace just a little bit more. The race leader's got 4 seconds on you. White flag, next time by. Nice pass. Wow, big lick. You okay? The 188 cars outside. Both sides clear. 21, 63. Not bad, trying to make this one a lap. 21, 64. We need a little more speed. There's a 4-second margin between you and the leader. All clear.